Hello guys, welcome back again to Sun Photography. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix missing details in your photos. And please, if you haven't subscribe to our channel, and please like this video so that YouTube recommend it. So stick around as I show you how to improve your photos. Firstly, you can see our before and then after. Before and then after. I know many photographers they shoot photos and come without sharpness, so I'm going to show you how to easily add sharpness in your photos. Firstly, I will delete this group and I will make a two copy of this background layer. So I will press Ctrl J twice and I will rename this layer backup. And the second layer, or the first layer, I will name it details. So these layers are going to help us to sharpen our images. Firstly, I will come to this detail image. I will come to image, then adjustments. Then I will scroll down to this invert option, or you can click Ctrl I to add this invert option in your photos. So another thing what I'm going to do is to come to this spreading mode and I will look for vivid light here. So the next thing I will convert this layer into a smart object. Remember, a smart object helps us to always come back and change the radiuses, or you want to change anything in your photos before. So I will convert this smart object. So after that I will come to filter, then I will come to Gaussian blur. So we are going to play around with this radius or pixels. The higher you increase the pixels, the sharper the image. And remember, we don't need to raise up these pixels, because when you raise up these pixels, the image will not come as we want it. So I will play around with the radius. Have to make sure that the details are seen in your image so that you get the perfect result. So let me play around with the radius of 6. So after that, press OK. So after that, we are going to group these layers. So come and click this layer and then hold Ctrl and select this layer, also the backup layer. So right click and then come to group from layers, press OK. Then our layers are grouped. All these layers are stored in this group. So I will come to this spreading mode and you can see when you always play around with this blending mode, you can get the perfect result. But for us, I will select this overlay layer. So far you can see our image is sharpened, or it has got details which was missing. So you can see the before and then after, the before and then after. You can see when I zoom in, you can see on the lips, you can see this is the before and this is the after. This is the before, and you can see the sharpness in our image. This is the before and this is the after. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and like this video so that YouTube will share so far. So see you in the next video.